New Holland backhoe loader. So we're going to install a battery disconnect safety switch or kill switch of this New Holland backhoe loader. So how to install and where to connect? Usually using the negative connection. So you need to cut between the negative connection of the battery and the body ground where the kill switch will be connected. In position, it depends. Some are near in the battery, especially heavy truck, and some are near in the driver side. So I will install first and I will show you after how it works. So here's now the connection of the battery safety switch or kill switch. So here's the negative, the switch, and here's the key. So let's check how it works. So we're going to use a continuity test. So we need to test first it's working. So okay, so this one is off. So when you turn it down, have power now. So when you turn it back, off. So totally shut off, so no power at all. So that is his safety switch. Okay.